So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 3. In this revision we are going to do CBSE board exam questions from chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So let us start with the first question from CBSE 2011. The largest possible sphere is carved out from a solid wooden cube of side 7 centimeter. Find the volume of the sphere, the percentage of wood wasted in the process. Right. So see, this is the rough diagram, and clearly the diameter of the largest possible would be the side of the cube, the edge of the cube, right? 7 centimeter. Right. So the radius of the sphere will be 7 by 2. Now what is the formula of volume of sphere? First we have to calculate volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r.
4 by 3 pi.
Right. Now the value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 7 by 2. So we will substitute all the values. Right. 7 cancel, and this 4 will be cancelled with 2 2's, and this 22 also we can cancel with 2. So we are getting 11. 11 into 49, that is 539 by 3. So approximately it is equal to 179.666, 67 we will round up, centimeter cube. Now we got the volume of sphere. Now we have to find the percentage of wood wasted in the process. So volume of cube we have to find. The volume of cube is a cube, right? So 7 into 7 into 7, and that is equals to 743 centimeter cube. Now the volume of wood wasted will be volume of cube minus volume of sphere. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब हम लोग के पास है 343 and volume of sphere also we got 179.67, but this is in decimal, that is why we are going to take this part. 539 by 3 subtract करेंगे. Okay, so 343 into 3 minus 539, so we are going to get 490 by 3. ठीक है, 490 by 3. So 490 by 3 volume is volume of wood is wasted. So percentage, how will you calculate the percentage? Volume of wood wasted divided by total volume into 100. So you will get this step. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have to simplify this one. ये 49 into 7 होता है, तो ये 10 हो जाएगा, and this will be 7. So 1000 upon 21%, and this is equal to 47 13 upon 21%. This is the final answer. So this is CBSE 2011 question. Now we are moving toward another very good question. A juice seller was serving his customers using glasses as shown in this figure. Okay? The inner diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5 centimeter, but the bottom of the glass had a hemispherical raised. तो ये वाला पार्ट में हम लोग का लिक्विड नहीं आएगा, राइट? क्योंकि ये ऐसा उभरा हुआ है, रेज्ड है यहाँ पे, which reduce the capacity of the glass. If the height of the glass was 10 centimeter, find the apparent capacity of the glass and its actual capacity. So this is CBSE 2009 question, and we have to take pi is equals to 3.14. Chalo. So radius of the cylindrical glass will be 5 by 2 because diameter is given 5 centimeter, right? And the height of the cylindrical glass, it is given 10 centimeter. And the radius of hemispherical part is also the same as the radius of the cylindrical glass, that is 5 by 2. And apparent capacity will be volume of cylinder only, that is pi r square h. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे देखो measurement, ये radius है 2.5 and this is the height, right? और ये भी यहाँ से यहाँ तक radius ही है. This is also radius. Fine. So volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now we'll substitute all the values. Pi is 3.14. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10. Right? So, and now we are going to cancel 10 by 2. That is, we are getting 5. And 3.14 also we can cancel. So we are getting 1.5 1.57. Now 1.57 into 125. So we are getting 196.25 centimeter cube. So this is the apparent capacity of the glass. Now for actual capacity, we have to subtract hemispherical part. So what is the volume of hemisphere?
2
2
by
by
3
3
pi
pi r
r
cube.
cube.
Right, very good. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this volume we have to subtract, right? So we will substitute the value. Pi is 3.14, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Right, only 1, 2 we can cancel, and this also we can cancel. Okay, 1.57. Right, and if you multiply 1.57 with 125, we'll get the same volume, that is 196.25 divided by 3 into 2, that is 6. ठीक है, तो इसको 6 से जब डिवाइड करोगे तो 32.708 आ रहा है, राउंड अप करेंगे तो 32.71. Now actual volume, actual capacity of the glass, volume of cylinder minus, that is apparent capacity of glass minus volume of hemisphere. So 196.25 minus 32.71. If you subtract, you will get 163.54. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. A solid wooden toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone of same radius. The radius of the hemisphere is given 3.5 centimeter, and the total wood used in making of the toy is 166 5 by 6 mixed fraction. In mixed fraction it is given centimeter cube. Find the height of the toy. Also find the cost of painting the hemispherical part only of the toy at the rate of rupees 10 per centimeter square. So total wood used means volume is given. Okay, so this is the rough figure, and let the height of the conical part is 10, h, and the radius is given 3.5 centimeter. We can write it as a 35 by 10 or 7 by 2 also we can write. So let the height of the conical part is be h, and the radius is given 7 by 2, that is 3.5 only, 7 by 2 we are writing, and volume of wood used will be volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone, right? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. What is the volume of cone?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
1 by
Very
3
good.
pi r square.
So what we can take common between these two?
1 by 3 pi r square.
1 by 3 pi r square.
Very good. If you take 1 by 3 pi r square, 2 r will be left here and here only h. Right. Now we are going to substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. Here also we will substitute radius, and here h. We'll keep like that only because we need to find h. Right. So now this is equals to, एक मिनट इसको थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं. 1 7 we will cancel, and 1 2 also we will cancel. So we are getting 77 by 6 into 7 plus h. Right. Now but the volume of wood is given 166 5 by 6. तो 166 into 6 होता है 995 96. ठीक है, प्लस 5 1001. Right, 1001 upon 6 centimeter cube. Now we will equate these two. These two we will equate. ठीक है, दोनों को equate करके हम लोग solve करेंगे. Right, तो इसको यहाँ पे shift करेंगे हम लोग. So it will be reciprocal, that is 6 by 77. 6 cancel, and this also we can cancel with 77. 1 2 3 1, so 3 13. So we are getting 7 plus h is equals to 13. So what is the value of h? 13 minus 7,
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Right. Okay, so we got the height of the toy. No, height of the toy we have to add radius also. ठीक है ना, टोटल हाइट जो है वो h plus r होगा. So h plus r means 6 plus 3.5.
3.5.
So it will be
9.5
9.5
centimeters.
Right. Now area to be painted, only curved surface area of hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r
Pi
square.
r square.
Now substitute pi 22 by 7, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 8 2 यहाँ पे cancel हो गया, 7 also we cancelled, and 22 also we can cancel with this 2, and we are getting 77 centimeter square. So cost of 1 centimeter square, it is given rupees 10. So the total cost will be 77 into 10. Yes, 770 rupees. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So now we are moving toward the next question. 2006 C means compartment, supplementary exam, and 2013. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the capacity of the vessel and inner surface area of the vessel. So this is the figure. Diameter is given 14 centimeters, so radius will be 7, and the total height of the vessel is given 13. So height of the cylindrical part will be, देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 7 होगा, तो height of the cylindrical part will be 13 minus 7, that is 6 centimeter, and radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere both are same, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, now what is the capacity of vessel? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, दोनों वॉल्यूम को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे, राइट? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर 2/3 pi r cube, and what is the volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r
Pi r
square h.
square.
What we can take common from these two?
Pi r square.
Yes, pi r square we have to take common. So यहाँ पे 2/3 r बचेगा और यहाँ पे h बचेगा, right? So now we will substitute the value of pi r here also and h. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, and h is 6, right? 1 7 is cancelled, and here we are getting 14 plus 18 by 3 if we take LCM. This step is clear, this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 22 into 7 into 32 by 3. Now if you multiply all this number, we have to multiply all this number, then we have to divide it by 3. Okay, so we'll get final answer 1642.666, that is 67 centimeter cube. Now we have to find inner surface area of the vessel. So very easy, because this portion is blank and this portion is also blank. So curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder.
Cylinder.
Right. What is curved surface area of hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
Very good.
Pi r
And
square.
curved surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. What we can take common?
2 pi r.
Yes.
Pi r.
So r plus h बचेगा. Now substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, and h is 6. So 7 7 cancel, and we are getting 14 into 13. That is 572 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Right. Now the next question.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in question it was given hollow cylinder.
Yeah, hollow cylinder. That means this part is empty and this part is also empty.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now in the given figure, from a cuboidal solid metallic block of dimension 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter, a cylindrical hole of diameter 7 centimeter is drilled out. काट के निकाल लिया. Find the surface area of the remaining block. तो सरफेस एरिया में क्या क्या आएगा? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड आएगा, राइट? और ये वाले टॉप में ये सर्कल माइनस करना है और बॉटम में भी सर्कल माइनस करना है, बिकॉज दैट पार्ट इज मीन्स वी हैव रिमूव्ड, एंड हियर ऑल्सो वन कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया विल बी क्रिएटेड. सो CSA ऑफ cylinder. I repeat, total surface area of cuboid minus area of top and bottom of cylinder plus CSA of cylinder. This is clear?
Yes.
So length is given, length of cuboid is given 15 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter, and height is given 5 centimeter. and the radius of the cylinder is given, diameter is 7, so 7 by 2, and height of the cylinder is the height of the cylinder is height of the cuboid, that is 5 centimeter. ये है LBH. ठीक है, same. Right, any doubt here up to here?
No, sir.
No,
Right, now the surface area of the remaining block, I told total surface area of cuboid minus area of two top and bottom of cylinder plus CSA of cylinder, right? Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Area of two circular faces of cylinder is 2 into pi r square, and CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Now here we will not take anything common because here no pi is there, so we'll substitute directly all the values, right? So 2 into 15 into 10 plus 10 into 5 plus 15 into 5 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 5. चलो अभी इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, राइट? ध्यान से देखो, दिस विल बी 150, ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, एंड दिस विल बी 50, सो 250 हो गया देखो, एंड दिस विल बी 75, so 275 into 2, so 550, right? Now here 1 2 will be cancelled and 1 7 will be cancelled, and 22 we can cancel with 2, so we are getting 77. So 550 minus 77, here 1 2 will be cancelled and 1 7 will be cancelled, and we are getting 22 into 7, that is 110. So ये step clear है, 550 minus 77 plus 110.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Right,
sir.
so 660 minus 77.
583.
Very good, 583 centimeter square. This is CBSE 2015 question, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. A metallic sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter is melted and then recast into smaller cones, each of radius 3.5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. How many cones are obtained? See, 2004, 12, 17, तीन बार आ चुका, same question, right? So radius of sphere is 10.5. 10.5 को हम लोग fraction में लिख सकते हैं 21/2, because calculation easy हो जाएगा, right? उसको capital R ले रहे हैं. Now the volume of sphere, we know that it is 4/3 pi capital R cube here, right? We are not going to substitute the value of pi, केवल R को substitute करेंगे हम लोग, that is 21/2. So यहाँ पे देखो 4 will be cancelled with 2 2's, and 121 will be cancelled with 3, so 7. So 21 into 21, 441 into 7, that is 3087 pi by 2 centimeter cube, right? This is the volume of sphere. Now the radius of each cone is given 3.5, उसको भी हम लोग 7/2 लिख लेंगे, and height is given 3, right? Okay, so volume of each cone, what is the formula for volume of cone? 1 by
1 by
3
3 pi r square h.
right, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 20 pi का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं करेंगे, so only r 7/2 into 7/2 into 3, right? Only 3 will be cancelled and we are getting 49/4 pi centimeter cube. Now required number of cones will be equals to volume of sphere divided by volume of each cone. So now we are going to divide this by this, ठीक है? Pi cancel, and 4 is cancelled by 2, right? And this also we can cancel with 49. 49 63, right? So 63 into 2 is 126. So 126 is the final answer, right? So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Right,
sir.
so now we are moving toward the next question. How many spherical solid bullets can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measures 44 centimeter, each bullet being 4 centimeter in diameter? ठीक है, solid cube and sphere. So pi involved nahi hai, so we are not we are going to substitute the value of pi, right? So edge of the cube is given 44 centimeter, and the volume will be a cube, that is 44 into 44 into 44 centimeter cube. Now radius of each bullet will be 2 centimeter because diameter is given 4 centimeter. So volume of each spherical bullet, क्या formula है? What is the formula for volume of each bullet?
4/3 pi r cube.
Very good, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So now I just now told you that pi is not involved in both the figures, both the shapes. So we can substitute the value of pi. 22/7 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? So कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. हाँ, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 32 into 22 करेंगे. 32 into 22, 64, 60, 704 upon 21. 704 upon 21, right? Okay. Now required number of bullets will be volume of cube divided by volume of each spherical bullet. So 44 into 44 into 44 divided by 704 upon 21. So ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा जब इनटू में लिखेंगे तो. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है. सो ये देखो हम लोग 22 44 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं इसको. So now 704 we will divide it by 44, we are getting 1 and 16 we are getting, okay. So अब एक एक 4 से कैंसिल करेंगे हम लोग. 11 4 11 ज़र 4 4 ज़र, फिर ये 4 से ये इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, right? So 11 into 11 into 21, 121 into 21. So we'll get 2541 is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question, CBSE 2011. A hollow sphere of internal and external diameters 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter is melted to form a cone of base diameter 8 centimeter. Find the height and the slant height of the cone. ठीक है. So external radius is given 8 centimeter diameter है तो 4 centimeter हो जाएगा, and the internal radius diameter is given 4 तो 2 centimeter, and volume of metal in the hollow sphere will be formula हम लोग पढ़े थे, volume of external minus volume of internal cylinder, or we can use directly 4 upon 3 hollow sphere का volume of external sphere minus volume of internal sphere. So 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube minus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. So we can take 4 upon 3 pi common. This formula is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are not going to substitute the value of pi, क्योंकि हम लोग कौन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं और कौन में भी पाई है, ठीक है. केवल r1 और r2 हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, दैट इज 4 क्यूब माइनस 2 क्यूब. सो वी आर गेटिंग 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8 is 56. Now 56 into 4 is 224 by 3 pi. ये वैल्यू समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now radius of cone is given diameter 8 to 4 centimeter, and the height of cone we need to find. So we will take it as h. ठीक है. So volume of cone. What is the formula of volume of cone?
1 upon 3 pi r square.
Right. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Right. So pi का वैल्यू हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं करेंगे. We'll substitute only capital R. Only capital R. H also will not substitute. Right. So 1 upon 3 pi 4 into 4, 16 by 3 pi h हो जाएगा. So this value is clear? Right.
Yes,
So volume of, now we have converted into one sphere, hollow sphere into cone. So दोनों का volume same होगा. So volume of cone we have already calculated 16 pi h by 3, and this is 224 pi by 3. So see the calculation, 3 will be cancelled, pi will be cancelled, and 224 by 16 is nothing but it is 14. ठीक है. तो h is equals to 14 centimeter आ गया. Now we got the height. Now we need to find slant height. So what is the formula for slant height?
Root over h
L
square
is equal to
plus
root
r
over
square.
h square plus r square.
Very good. So slant height root over r square plus h square. So r is 4 square plus 14 square. So 16 plus 196, 212. So 212 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 53 into 4. 53 into 4. 53 का 53 तो perfect square है ही नहीं है. So 2 root 53 centimeter. So this is the final answer. Height is 14 centimeter and slant height is 2 root 53. Any doubt?
Sir, root 212 पे नहीं छोड़ सकते.
नहीं, अगर see, suppose you left the answer here only and the marking scheme has this answer, so you will lose half marks. So that is why try to simplify at the most. ठीक है, अगर मान लो यहाँ तक सॉल्व कर लिए हम लोग 2 root 53, but in the marking scheme it is given root 212, then you will not lose the marks because that answer is given in your answer. So that is why last तक करो. ठीक है, कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
Right. So now next question. Now this is a very good question. 2015. 504 cones, each of diameter 3.5 centimeter and height 3 centimeter, are melted and recast into a metallic sphere. 500 cones से हम लोग एक sphere बनाए. So the volume of 500 cones will be equals to volume of one sphere, that the big sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere and hence find its surface area. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So 3.4 diameter है. So 3.5. तो 3.5 को हम लोग 7/2 लिख सकते हैं. तो रेडियस कितना होगा? 7/4. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. Right. Height of each cone is given 3 centimeter. Now volume of each cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. So will not substitute the value of pi क्योंकि sphere में भी pi है. So केवल r और h substitute करेंगे यहाँ पर. So 7/4 into 7/4 into 3. So 3 will be cancelled and we are getting 49/16 pi centimeter cube. I think this calculation is clear. So
Yes.
total volume of 504, we have to add 504. ठीक है. So 504 we can cancel it with 8. 8 2s are, so 8 से कैंसिल करोगे तो 63 आएगा. 63. So इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे 49 pi into 63/2 centimeter cube. Right. Now the radius of the sphere, let it be capital R. So volume हो जाएगा इसका. What will be the volume?
4/3 pi r cube.
Right. 4/3 pi capital R cube. And according to the question, the volume of sphere will be equals to the total volume of 504 cones. So 4/3 pi r capital R cube is equals to 49 pi into 63/2. ये वाला स्टेप क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
राइट. अभी इसमें हम लोग पाई कैंसिल कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. एंड 4/3 we will shift to this side. So reciprocal हो जाएगा 3/4. Now we will calculate, right? So एक मिनट ध्यान से देखो. This will be 7 into 7, right? And this will be 7 into 9. So numerator में हो जाएगा 7 into 7 into 7 into 9 into 3/2 into 4. देखो ये 3 क्यूब हो गया, ये 7 क्यूब हो गया और ये 2 क्यूब हो जाएगा. ठीक है. If you take cube root, you will get 1 7 1 3 and the denominator 1 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So we'll get radius 21/2. So what will be the diameter?
10.5.
Diameter. It is radius 21/2. We have to find diameter of the sphere. So we have to multiply with 2. So we'll get 21 centimeter. This is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right. And one more, we have to find surface area of the sphere. What is the surface area of the sphere?
4 pi r square.
Very good. 4 pi capital R square. So we'll substitute all the values. 4 into 22/7 into 21/2 into 21/2. So 2's we can cancel with 4 and 121 we can cancel with 7 So we are getting 66 into 21. 66 into 21, 1386 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards the next question. Now this is also a different type of question. Two spheres of same metals weigh 1 kg and 7 kg. Same metal. Okay, this is very important. The radius of smaller sphere is 3 centimeter, and the two spheres are melted to form a single big spheres. Find the diameter of the new sphere. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, since both the spheres are made up of same metal, so their weights are directly proportional to their volume. Okay, or the ratio of their volume, or we know that the ratio of their volume is equal to the ratio of their weights. Okay? Why? Because both are made up of same metal. Since both the spheres are made up of same metals, their weights are directly proportional to their volume. That is, the ratio of their volume is equal to the ratio of their weights. So let the radius of first sphere, it is given 3 centimeter, but radius of second sphere it is not given. So we are taking R1 3, R2 we need to find. ठीक है, तो वॉल्यूम का रेशियो इसके रेशियो के बराबर होगा 1/7. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Right. Volume of first sphere 4/3 pi R1 cube. Volume of second sphere 4/3 pi R2 cube. So इसमें pi by 3 and 4 will be cancelled, and we are getting R1 cube, that is 3 cube, and R2 cube. ठीक है, तो इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. So 27 into 7, 189. So R2 cube is equals to 189. So we required R2 cube. ठीक है, R2 का वैल्यू हम लोग को उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. So we required R2 cube क्योंकि वॉल्यूम में काम आएगा. नाउ द सम ऑफ द वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ टू स्फीयर्स, क्योंकि दोनों स्फीयर को मिला के एक बड़ा स्फीयर बना रहे हैं ना, तो सम ऑफ द टू स्फीयर्स वी रिक्वायर्ड. सो द फॉर्मूला विल बी 4/3 pi R1 cube plus R2 cube. This formula is clear?
Yes, sir.
4/3 pi common ले लिए. So R1 cube 3 cube and R2 cube we already got 189, right? And we will not substitute the value of pi. So 27 plus 189 will be 216. So this is the sum of the volumes of two small spheres. So let the radius of new sphere be capital R. So according to the question, volume of new sphere will be equals to the sum of the volumes of two small spheres. And we got already sum of volumes of two small spheres. So now we are going to equate. So इसमें pi by 3 और 4 cancel हो जाएगा दोनों साइड में. And we know that 216 is a cube of 6. तो इसका cube root 6 हो जाएगा. So diameter हम लोग को निकालना है. So diameter will be 2 into 6, that is 12 centimeter, right? So बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये, and बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है 2015 में आ चुका है. Now we are moving toward the next question, 2017. A solid iron rectangular block of dimension 4.4 meter length, 2.6 meter breadth, and 1 meter height is cast into a hollow cylindrical pipe of internal radius 30 centimeter and thickness 5 centimeter. तो outer radius कितना हो जाएगा? 30 plus 5, that is 35 centimeter. We need to find the length of the pipe. तो height of the cylindrical pipe we need to find. चलो वॉल्यूम ऑफ आयरन हम लोग पहले निकाल लेते हैं. देखो ये सेंटीमीटर में दिया है और पूरा डेसिमल में लिखने से अच्छा है इसको हम लोग सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. 440, 260, 100. So we are going to find the volume of iron, L into B into H. 440 into 260 into 100 centimeter cube. Now internal radius is given 30 centimeter, thickness is given 5, तो outer radius हो जाएगा 30 plus 5, 35 centimeter. Now let the length of the pipe be H centimeter. So according to the question, the volume of iron in the pipe is equals to external volume minus internal volume. ठीक है, एक्सटर्नल सिलेंडर माइनस इंटरनल सिलेंडर. सो पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर कहीं नहीं लिखे हैं. सो पाई 35 स्क्वायर एच, पाई 30 स्क्वायर एच. सो वी कैन टेक पाई एच कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ. ठीक है, दोनों कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो 35 स्क्वायर माइनस 30 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सो ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. 65 इंटू 5. ये स्टेप क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
65 into 5 is nothing but 325 pi h centimeter cube. Now, according to the question, volume of iron will be equals to volume of iron in the pipe. So, दोनों इक्वेट कर लिए. अब हम लोग h का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो पाई का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करना पड़ेगा 22/7. ठीक है, क्योंकि दूसरे में पाई नहीं है यहाँ पे. So 22/7. So h will be equals to 325 into 22 will come in the denominator, 7 in the numerator. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. अभी कैलकुलेशन देखो. 22 440 को 22 से कैंसिल करेंगे, 20, right? And 325 we will cancel it by 5, so we'll get 65. इसी से कैंसिल कर लेते. 4 5 4s are 20, 65. One more time we can cancel. अच्छा, एक बार और कैंसिल करेंगे 5 से, अदरवाइज 265 से कैंसिल होगा. यस 4, सॉरी 260 65 से 4. सो 4 इंटू 7 28 इंटू 7 112 इंटू 100. सो 2 0 लगा लो, 11,200 सेंटीमीटर. सो मीटर में कन्वर्ट करो, बिकॉज the length is we are getting a large number in centimeters, so 112 meter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question. CBSE 2005 and 12 repeated question hai. So a hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter is full of liquid. The liquid is to be filled into cylindrical shaped small bottles, each of diameter 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. How many bottles are needed to empty the bowl? So it's very easy. Volume of hemispherical bowl divided by volume of one cylinder, each one bottle. ठीक है, we'll get the total number of bottles. So radius of hemispherical bowl 9 centimeter, capital R ले लेते हैं. And what is the formula for hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere?
2/3 pi r cube.
Right. So volume of liquid in the bowl will be 2/3 pi capital R cube. So pi को छोड़कर बाकी वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. ओनली 9 9 इंटू 9 इंटू 9. राइट, एक 9 हम लोग 3 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो 81 इंटू 6 486 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ द रेडियस ऑफ ईच सिलेंड्रिकल बाउल विल बी 3/2, क्योंकि डायमीटर 3 दिया हुआ है, एंड हाइट 4 centimeter it is given. Right? So volume of each cylindrical bowl will be pi r square. That is 20. Pi को नहीं substitute करेंगे. 3/2 into 3/2 into 4. So 2 2 4 से cancel कर सकते हैं. We are getting 9 pi centimeter cube. Right. So required number of bottles is equals to volume of liquid in the bowl divided by volume of each bottle. That is 486 pi upon 9 pi. So pi cancel, and we are getting 54. Right. So 54 is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay. Now the next question, 2015. A hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeter contains liquid. This liquid is filled into 72 cylindrical bottles of diameter 6 centimeter. Find the height of each bottle if 10% liquid is wasted in this transfer. ये कितना बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. A very different question. So radius of hemispherical bowl diameter is 36, so it will be 18 centimeter, and volume of liquid in bowl will be volume of hemisphere, that is 2/3 pi capital R cube. So we'll substitute the value of capital R only. So we'll get 2/3 pi 18 into 18 into 18. So एक 18 हम लोग 3 से कैंसिल कर लेंगे. 6, so 12 into 18 into 18. So we are getting 3888 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of liquid filled into bottles, that will be 10% wastage है ना, so इसका 90% लेंगे हम लोग. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज 10% लिक्विड वेस्टेड, तो 90% केवल इसका हम लोग भर पाए. सो 90 अपॉन 100 इंटू 3888 पाई. राइट, नाउ लेट द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल बॉटल बी h. सो रेडियस इज गिवन, डायमीटर 6 है तो रेडियस 3 हो जाएगा. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ ईच सिलेंड्रिकल बॉटल विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. पाई को वैसे ही रखेंगे, सो पाई 3 स्क्वायर एच, so 9 pi h centimeter cube. This is for one bottle, but we have 72 bottles, right? So volume of 72 bottles will be equals to volume of liquid filled into bottles. So हम लोग 72 into this equals to this we have to equate. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now h will be equals to, पहले pi cancel कर लेते हैं. This 92 into 72 into 9 will come down. So we are getting this one. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have to do some calculation. 90 को 9 से cancel करो. 10. Right? And again we can cancel 3888 by 72. So we are getting 72 into एक मिनट, 18 इंटू 18 इंटू 3 मिलेगा. ठीक है, 18 नहीं 18 इंटू 4 72 होता है, तो 18 इंटू 3 मिलेगा 54. ठीक है, 54 अपॉन 10. एक 10 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर लिए, तो ये हो गया 9 और ये हो गया 5, तो 27 by 5 सेंटीमीटर. And it is 5.4 centimeter. So this is the final answer. Clear? Calculation is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मैं डिवाइड कैसे किया देखो. 72 is 18 into 4, तो यहाँ पे 2 into 3 कर लिए. देखो तो ये 4 हो गया और एक 18 हटा दो, सो 3 into 18, वैसे डिवाइड किया मैं. Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward the next question, CBSE 2015. A vessel full of water is in the form of an inverted cone of height 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. 100 spherical lead balls are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out of the vessel. So this is NCERT question but reversed. वहाँ पे रेडियस वगैरह दिया हुआ, नंबर ऑफ स्फेरिकल लेड बॉल्स निकालना था. सेम क्वेश्चन बट द वैल्यू इज रिवर्स्ड. ठीक है, एंड फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ अ स्फेरिकल बॉल. तो हाइट ऑफ द कॉनिकल वेसल इट इज गिवन 8 सेंटीमीटर and the radius is 5 centimeter and the volume of conical vessel is 1/3 pi r square h. pi का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं करेंगे, 5 into 5 into 8, so we are getting 200/3 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of water flows out on dropping the spherical lead, 1/4 of this volume. ठीक है, so 1/4 of this volume will be 50/3 pi. तो इतना वॉल्यूम होगा पूरे 100 spherical lead balls का. So let the radius of each spherical ball be capital R and volume of each spherical ball will be 4/3 pi capital R cube. Now we'll substitute the value of, no we are not going to substitute the value of pi. डायरेक्ट हम लोग इक्वेट करेंगे दोनों को. ठीक है, 100 into 4/3 pi capital R cube, क्योंकि 100 spherical leads है, is equals to 50 pi by 3. This step is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. तो अभी ये देखो ध्यान से, 4/3 यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे 3/4, 100 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1/10. सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस वन. सो यहाँ पे 3 कैंसिल और ये भी कैंसिल हो गया, 2 से 1/8 आ रहा है. देखो, सो 1/8 का क्यूब रूट कितना हो जाएगा, 1/2 एंड 1/2 इज 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, right. Now we are moving toward the next question. A housing society used to collect rainwater from the roof of its building, 22 meter into 20 meter, to a cylindrical vessel having diameter of base 2 meter and height 3.5 meter, and then pump this water into the main water tank so that all members can use it. On a particular day, the rainwater collected from the roof just filled the cylindrical vessel. Then find the rainfall in centimeter. मतलब हाइट निकालना है. ठीक है, L into B into this height. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो length of the roof is given 22 meter and breadth is given 20 meter. Right, let the rainfall be x centimeter. So volume of water on the roof will be L into B into H. 22 into 20 into x is centimeter, तो x upon 100 लिखेंगे. So 20 100 को 20 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ना. So 22x upon 5 is the volume of water on the roof. Now radius of cylindrical vessel 2 meter base है तो 1 meter हो जाएगा, and height is 3.5 meter. So volume of water in the cylindrical vessel when just full, it is pi r square h. So 22 upon 7 पाई का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे क्योंकि ये सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म क्यूबिकल फॉर्म में है. सो 22 अपॉन 7 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 7 बाई 2. तो 1 7 is cancel and this is also cancel. We are getting 11 meter cube. ठीक है. Now volume of water on the roof will be equals to volume of water in the cylinder. So that is 22x upon 5 is equals to 11. तो 5 into 11 divided by 22. So ये कैंसिल हो रहा है 22 11 से. 5 by 2 that is 2.5 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because x is in centimeter, तो x upon 100 लिखे थे हम लोग. So whatever the value of x we will get, that is centimeter only. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question based on speed. CBSE questions based on speed. Water running in a cylindrical pipe of inner diameter 7 centimeter is collected in a container at the rate of 192.5 liters per minute. Find the rate of flow of water in the pipe in kilometer per hour. So this is 2013 question. So volume of water which flows per hour is given 192.5 लीटर पर मिनट. तो इंटू 60 करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक मिनट में स्पीड दिया हुआ है, तो 1 आवर में इंटू 60 करना पड़ेगा. 1 आवर इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट, राइट. एंड 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में लिखने के लिए 1000 से इंटू करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll keep like that only. Fine. Now inner radius of the pipe is given, diameter is given actually 7, तो radius हो जाएगा 7 by 2, that is 3.5. Now let h centimeter be the length of the column of water which flows in 1 hour. Clearly the water column जो है that will form a cylinder क्योंकि पाइप से निकल रहा है. ठीक है. और radius is given 3.5 centimeter and height is given, length is given h centimeter. So volume of water which flows in 1 hour will be equals to volume of cylinder having radius 3.5 centimeter and length h centimeter. So volume of water flows in 1 hour, it is given 192.5 into 60 into 1000, and volume of cylinder having radius 3.5 centimeter and length h centimeter will be pi r square h. r का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे 3.5. ठीक है. इसको 7 by 2 भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, राइट. यहाँ तक स्टेप क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो अभी ये दोनों को नीचे शिफ्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर और 7 को ऊपर. सो h इज इक्वल टू 192.50 इंटू 60 इंटू 1000 इंटू 7. तो यहाँ पे इसका डेसिमल हटा दो, हटा के नीचे 100 लिख दो. ठीक है. तो ये 100 और ये दो 0 कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ यू कैन कैंसिल विथ 11. ये 11 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, देखो 11 1 82 फिर 7 फिर 5 0 1750 और ये 2, ठीक है। 2 इंटू 7 2 इंटू 3.5 7 हो जाएगा, तो ये पूरा कैंसिल हो गया। और 35 इंटू 5 1750 होता है, सॉरी 175 होता है। तो इसको इससे कैंसिल करोगे तो 500 आएगा। चलो हम लोग का मेरा कैलकुलेशन खत्म हो गया। 500 इंटू 60 इंटू 10, सो 5 इंटू 6 30 होगा। 30 के बाद हम लोग को 4 जीरो लगाना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज द आंसर, 3 लाख सेंटीमीटर। सो इसको किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट मीटर देन किलोमीटर, सो 3 किलोमीटर। सो द रेट ऑफ वाटर इज 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर। दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the next question, again CBSE 2013. Water is flowing at the rate of 7 meter per second through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank whose base radius is 40 centimeter. Determine the increase in the water level in half an hour. So time is given 30 minutes. That is half an hour. So meter per second है. The rate of flow of water is 7 meter per second. तो ये सेंटीमीटर में दिया हुआ है, तो ये हो जाएगा 700 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड। सो लेंथ ऑफ द वाटर कॉलम इन 1/2 आवर्स, हाफ एन आवर, विल बी इक्वल्स टू 700 इंटू 30 इंटू 60, क्योंकि 1 आवर में ये सेकेंड में दिया हुआ है, दिस इज इन सेकेंड। सो हाफ एन आवर मीन्स 30 मिनट, और 30 मिनट में 60 सेकेंड्स होता है, तो 30 इंटू 60। दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the internal radius of pipe will be 1 centimeter because diameter is 2 centimeter. Now water column will form a cylinder when it will flow through pipe, and the radius will be 1 centimeter. Then the length will be 700 into 30 into 60. So let h centimeter be the rise of increase in the water level in half an hour. So volume of water which flows in the tank in 1/2 half an hour will be volume of water in the tank. So we will equate, ठीक है, pi r square, pi small r square is equals to pi capital R square. So small r जो है pi pi cancel कर लो यहाँ पर, small r is 40 centimeter, ठीक है, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, and 40 into 40 into h we need to find, and capital R will be 1 centimeter into 1 into height, length. This is 700 into 30 into 60. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, yes.
So H will be 700 into 30 into 60 divided by 40 into 40. तो 2 जीरो अभी कैंसिल कर लो यहाँ पर, इससे कैंसिल करते हैं, इससे यहाँ के 2 जीरो से कैंसिल कर लेते हैं। Now 60 we can divide it by 4 15 मिलेगा। Now 4 we have to divide, तो यहाँ पे 15 आया और यहाँ पे 2, बाकी 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, तो 225 इंटू 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, ठीक है। तो टोटल आंसर इज 787.5 सेंटीमीटर। दिस इज द हाइट। एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving toward the next question, 2014. Water in a canal 30 dm. 30 dm मतलब डेसीमीटर। 1 डेसीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये हो जाएगा 300 सेंटीमीटर। एंड 12 डेसीमीटर 120 सेंटीमीटर is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much area will be irrigated in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is required for irrigation? So width of the canal is 30 decimeter, that is 300 centimeter. We'll convert it into meter. 300 centimeter means 3 meter. Now the depth of the canal is 120 centimeter, 1.2 meter. And since the water is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour, so length of water column in half an hour will be 5 kilometer, that is 5,000 meter. So volume of water flowing in half an hour will be volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height, ठीक है, and let x meter be the area of filled in half an hour, 30 minutes, ठीक है, which is irrigated in half an hour. So we know that area of field into height will be the volume of water, standing water in the field, and that will be equals to 5000 into 3 into 1.2. So whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
And we have taken it as a x, and this is 8 upon 100, ठीक है, and this will be, if you multiply, you will get 18,000, right? So 18,000 into 100 divided by 8. So if you simplify, you will get 2,25,000, and we have this is the final answer. But if you want to convert it into a hectare, we have to divide it by 10,000. So 10,000, 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. तो 3 0 कैंसिल हो गया, and we are getting 22.5 हेक्टेयर, अगर आंसर हेक्टेयर में लिखना है तो. बट मार्किंग स्कीम में यही वाला आंसर था, ठीक है, 2,25,000. बट इफ यू गो वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, यू विल नॉट लूज मार्क्स, तो इसलिए हेक्टेयर में कन्वर्ट किया करो, राइट. So now we are moving toward the next question. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. Find the time in which the level of the water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter. तो ये height हो गया tank का, ठीक है, L into B into H. So length of the tank 50 meter, width is 44 meter, and the desired height is 21 centimeter, that is 21 upon 100 meter. So volume of water in the tank will be L into B into H, that is 50 into 44 into 21 upon 100. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे हम लोग. 100 को डिवाइड कर लेंगे 50 से, फिर 44 को 2 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे 22. So 21 into 22, 462 meter cube, ठीक है. Now the radius of the pipe is 7 centimeter, क्योंकि 14 diameter दिया हुआ है, तो मीटर में लिखना है 7 upon 100. And the length of the water column which flows is in 1 hour is 15 kilometer. Speed is given, मतलब 15,000 meter, ठीक है. So volume of water which flows from the pipe in 1 hour will be pi r square h, क्योंकि वो सिलेंडर का शेप लेगा. So pi is 22/7, r is 7 upon 100, and h is 15,000. तो 3 0 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, और एक 7 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, और 5 2s, 5 3s, और ये 22 भी 2 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो हम लोग को मिल रहा है 21 into 11, that is 231 meter cube. So hence the required time is equals to volume of water in the tank divided by volume of water flows in 1 hour. So that is 462 upon 231. Answer is 2 hours. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question, the last question of today's session. 2015 CBSE question. Water is flowing at the rate of 2.52 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. If the increase in the level of the water in the tank in half an hour is 3.15 meter, find the internal diameter of the pipe. So ये थोड़ा पिछले क्वेश्चन से डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. So let R be the internal radius of the pipe, and H be the length of the water column which flows through the pipe in 1 hour, that is 2.52 kilometer. So 2520 meter हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So volume of water flows through the pipe in 1 hour is equals to, it is in the shape of cylinder, so pi r square h. We will not substitute the value of pi, and r square निकालना है, तो pi r square into 2520 meter cube. Now what volume of water which flows through the pipe in half an hour, तो ये 1 hour का था, इसको फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, ठीक है, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1260, ठीक है, 1260 पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ द radius
Yes.
of the base it is given 40 centimeter. तो ये 40 by 100 हो जाएगा. That is 2 by 5 we can write meter, 2 by 5 meter. So H be the volume of water which increase in the level of the water in the tank. Capital H ले रहे हैं उसको, ठीक है. So इसका वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा, ये भी सिलेंडर के फॉर्म में, तो पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर कैपिटल एच. तो विल नॉट सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई. सो केवल 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 3.15, दैट इज 315/100. थोड़ा सा इसको भी सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. सो 1 5 वी कैन कैंसल हियर. सो वी आर गेटिंग 63, और ये 100 4 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 25. सो वी आर गेटिंग 63, एक मिनट, 5 into 5 into 25. नहीं, एक 5 और है ना यहाँ पे, ठीक है. 5 into 25, so 125 आएगा. 63/125 पाई. So we have to equate with this one. चलो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इक्वेट करते हैं. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर विच फ्लोज इन हाफ एन आवर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फिल्ड इन द टैंक. So 1260 pi r square is equals to 63/125 pi. ये स्टेप क्लियर है.
Yes, sir.
इसमें पाई और पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड वी कैन शिफ्ट 1260 हियर इन द डिनोमिनेटर. अब इसको कैंसिल कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो 63 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, देखो 20. सो वी आर गेटिंग 1/2500. सो 2500 का स्क्वायर रूट 50 होता है, तो आर हो जाएगा 1/50 मीटर. सो 1/50 मीटर इज 2 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है. 100/50 2 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द डायमीटर एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट इज द डायमीटर हियर?
4
4
centimeters.
centimeter, right. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward the last section, assignment questions. All are CBSE board questions only. I will share through WhatsApp. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.